Good morning, boys and girls. So we are on lesson 25 this week, and we are on session 1. You're going to need 10 counters of some sort and something to write with and your workbook pages. Make sure you have those, and then let's get started. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started with a little warm-up. So we have a couple of putting together problems or addition problems. So let's solve that first one. 4 add 3. What would be the answer to 4 add 3? You can use your counters, you can use your fingers, you might even use the strategy of mental math. What is 4 add 3? Oh, I think you knew it. It is 7. Nice job. What about 8 add 2? 8 add 2. What would be the answer for 8 add 2? Let's practice our counting up strategy. So which is bigger, 8 or 2? You're right, it's 8. So I grab 8, 8, 9, 10. My answer is 10. 8 add 2 equals 10. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, let's go. We should be on our first workbook page, page 487, and I'm going to give you a little problem. Mateo has 6 apples. He has 2 plates. So here are his 2 plates. How many apples could he put on each plate? So if he has 6 apples, how many could he put on each plate? So how many counters are you going to need to get out? You're right. We are going to need 6 counters. So I'm going to get my 6 counters. Sure. All right, I have my 6 counters. So now I'm going to put them on my 2 plates. So I can put some on this plate and some on this plate. So he could put 3 on each plate. Is that the only way he could use his 6 apples? He could put 5 on this plate and 1 on this plate. Oh, boys and girls, I want you to see if you can find any more combinations that equal 6. When you're done, start this video over, start this video again, and we'll go to our next page. Nice job, boys and girls. Did you find more combinations for 6? Awesome job. Now we're going to do some combinations for a different number. Mateo has 9 apples. He has 2 plates. How many apples can he put on his plates? So I have my 9 apples up here. How many should I put on each plate? Let's see. I think I'm going to put 3 on this plate and the rest over here. So if I have 3 on this plate, how many are on this plate? You're right, 3 and 6 make 9. Boys and girls, pause this video. Find some more combinations for the number 9. Did you find more combinations for 9? Nice job, boys and girls. So now we're going to go to page 490. It's the last page for today. And then we're going to make some combinations for 8. Destiny has 8 grapes. She has 2 plates. How many grapes can she put on each plate? Let's do one together. I'm going to put 4 on this plate. So how many would I put on this plate? You're right, 4 and 4 make 8. Make some more combinations for 8. Pause this video and then start it when you're ready. All right, boys and girls, let's turn to our vocabulary page for the day. It is page 489. So a 4, an 8, and a 9. It looks just like the one on the screen. And the words up there today are put together. So you need to show me 3 examples of putting something together. You could draw a picture. You could write a number sentence. You could write words to show something put together. Let's do one together. So let's see. Let's say I have 3 circles and 4 squares. Now to show I want to put them together, I can put a big circle around them because 3 and 4 make 7. I could also write that as a number sentence, so I could say 3 add 4 equals 7. All right, boys and girls, it is your turn. I want you to finish up that vocabulary page. Make sure you have 3 things that show me putting together. Have a great day, guys.